A mistake may cause a person much pain, but remember, there are some mistakes in life that save us from thousands of mistakes in the future. In the ever-evolving landscape of software development, innovation is the key to success. Today, we're diving deep into the world of coding with Microsoft Copilot, a revolutionary tool that's transforming the way developers write code. Cut to a shot of a developer at their desk, typing on their keyboard with the Copilot extension visible on their screen. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring Microsoft Copilot, an AI-powered coding assistant that's been making waves in the developer community. Microsoft Copilot, developed in collaboration with OpenAI, is an advanced AI tool designed to assist developers in writing code faster and more efficiently. Let's delve into some of its remarkable features. Copilot's main feature is its ability to provide context-aware code suggestions in real time. As you type, Copilot analyzes the code context and offers intelligent suggestions, saving developers valuable time and effort. With Copilot, I can simply describe what I want to achieve, and it generates code snippets tailored to my needs. It's like having an experienced coding partner by your side. But Copilot isn't just limited to generating code snippets. It also assists developers in writing comments, documentation, and even proposing solutions to common coding challenges. One of my favorite features is Copilot's ability to write comments and documentation. It helps me keep my codebase organized and easily understandable for myself and my team. Another impressive aspect of Copilot is its adaptability to various programming languages and frameworks. Whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, or any other language, Copilot is there to lend a helping hand. As a developer, I work with multiple languages and frameworks, and Copilot seamlessly integrates with all of them. It's incredibly versatile and saves me from having to switch between different tools. But perhaps one of the most significant advantages of Copilot is its ability to accelerate the development process while maintaining code quality. With Copilot, I can write code faster without sacrificing quality. It catches common errors, suggests best practices, and helps me write more efficient and maintainable code. However, like any AI-powered tool, Copilot also raises questions about ethics, bias, and intellectual property rights. While Copilot is incredibly helpful, developers need to be mindful of its limitations and biases. It's essential to review and validate the suggestions it provides to ensure the code meets quality standards. In conclusion, Microsoft Copilot represents a significant leap forward in the world of software development. Its intelligent code suggestions, adaptability, and efficiency make it a game-changer for developers worldwide. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the latest developments in technology. Until next time, happy coding.